Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you to unlock the secret chocolate sauce recipe in Heartopia. So, first, the recipe itself is super easy, but the tricky part is getting the main ingredient, the chocolate. So, to get the chocolate, you first need to reach gardening hobby level 12. This one, gardening hobby level 12. Over here, this one. And once you unlock level 12, you can buy the chocolate seed from NPC plant, and then you can plant them in your planter in your house. And then however, there's one important requirement. Starting for gardening level 10, this one, to continue, you will need a premium hobby upgrade ticket to continue leveling up. In here you in here you can get this ticket after reaching DD member level 51. So first make sure you have reached DD member level 51, and then after that you will get this premium ticket, and after that just upgrade your gardening hobby to level 12. And in here I haven't unlocked level 12 yet, so I can't show the chocolate farming process, but these are the exact steps that you will need to follow. Once you have the chocolate, the chocolate ingredients, just go to your stove, and then in here just mix jam like this, and then in here just simply replace the fruit ingredients to chocolate, and after that just simply tap start cooking, and just like that you will successfully unlock the secret chocolate sauce recipe. And okay, that's it. I hope this guide helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.